Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 28, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:18 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:26 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, the bright December moon, 98% illuminated, shines from the western sky before sunrise. It is 2.3 degrees to the lower left of Pollux, one of the Gemini twins. To see the star, block the lunar orb with your extended hand as you would to reduce the sun's glare. 4 bright stars, Procyon, Pollux, Castor, and Capella, form an arc in the western sky. Farther eastward, brilliant Venus shines from the southeast. The planet is stepping eastward in front of Libra, 5.2 degrees to the upper right of Graphias, meaning the crab, that is part of Scorpius. The morning star moves in front of Scorpius in 4 mornings, passing 0.9 degrees to the upper left of the star on that morning. The Scorpion is slowly crawling across the horizon into the morning sky. The arachnid's heart is over 7 degrees above the horizon and 13 degrees to the lower left of Venus. The creature does not fully cross the horizon until March. Mercury and Mars are moving into the morning sky, although the innermost planet gains 7 minutes of rising time compared to sunrise each morning, while Mars gains 1 minute every 2 to 3 days. In the evening sky, bright Jupiter is easily spotted in the southeast after sundown. By 1 hour after nightfall, the Jovian giant is over halfway up in the sky. Its retrograde ends in 2 evenings in front of Aries. This evening the planet is 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hammel, the constellation's brightest star, and 14.5 degrees to the upper right of Menkar. When the planet begins direct or its eastward direction again, it slowly approaches an imaginary line from Hammel to Menkar. Watch the eastward progress of the star during the new year. At 6:37 p.m. CST, the planet's long-lived atmospheric disturbance, known as the Great Red Spot, is at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. This is a telescopic observation. Saturn, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, but brighter than most stars this evening, is over 30 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. It slowly plods eastward in front of Aquarius dim stars, 9.0 degrees to the right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and 9.0 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. A binocular is likely needed to see these dimmer stars, especially for urban and suburban sky watchers. The star Fomalhaut is about 20 degrees to the lower left of Saturn and slightly dimmer. Find the dimmer stars before moonrise. The bright moon rises almost 2 hours after sunset and washes out the dimmer stars across the sky. An hour later, the moon is nearly 15 degrees above the east-northeast horizon and 8.1 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. The lunar orb is in front of Cancer, a famous constellation name, but without bright stars. It is a large area between Pollux and Regulus, that rises about 5 hours after nightfall. Saturn sets about the time Regulus rises and Jupiter is in the south at this time. The moon is less than halfway up in the east. Jupiter sets nearly 5 hours before daybreak and about 90 minutes before Venus rises. Look for the bright moon tomorrow morning in the western sky and Venus in the southeast. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.